For thousands of years, the Great Pyramid of Giza has stood as a monument to human ingenuity, cosmic alignment, and timeless mystery. But beyond the perfectly aligned blocks and astronomical precision lies something few have ever heard about: the 8 hidden pillars that form the core of this ancient marvel. What are the hidden pillars? The 8 hidden pillars are not physical columns in the traditional sense, but rather symbolic and structural enigmas buried deep within the pyramid's architecture and philosophy. While modern archaeology acknowledges internal chambers, air shafts, and load-bearing stones, esoteric traditions and alternative historians have long believed the Great Pyramid hides far more beneath its limestone skin. Let us uncover the mystery of these 8 pillars, real or symbolic, that may hold the secret to the ancient world's most astonishing structure. 1. The Pillar of Earth, foundation of civilization. Starting at the very bottom, we encounter the Pillar of Earth. This is literal and metaphorical since the pyramid sits squarely atop the Earth's surface, anchored to bedrock deep below the sands of the Giza Plateau. The massive weight of over 2 million limestone blocks rests on this foundation. But for the ancient Egyptians, the pyramid's purpose extended far beyond a burial chamber for their pharaohs. The grounding of the pyramid on solid earth symbolized civilization itself arising from the natural world. Just as the pyramid served as a tomb and a monument to eternal life, it also represented the rise of agriculture, cities, and organized society emerging from the fertile Nile Valley. The Pillar of Earth suggests the pyramid was a celebration of human progress blossoming from the natural order. It personifies the fertile soil, steady ground, and bountiful resources of the Nile Delta, all of which contributed to the rise of Egyptian civilization. In a deeper sense, this pillar embodies the ancient wisdom of respecting and harnessing nature's forces to create enduring cultural achievements. 2. The Pillar of Energy, cosmic alignment. Rising above the earthly foundation, we encounter the Pillar of Energy, invisible yet vital. The Great Pyramid is precisely aligned with the stars in Orion's belt, but many scholars believe there's more to these alignments than meets the eye. They suggest the pyramid acted as a giant power plant, channeling mysterious energy from the cosmos through its design. Mainstream archaeologists acknowledge the pyramid's alignments with true north and the cardinal directions. However, some researchers hypothesize that the angles of its slopes correspond to highly energetic frequencies, creating a powerful electromagnetic field within and around the structure. These frequencies could have been harnessed by the ancient Egyptians for various technologies, including healing, propulsion, or communication. According to this view, the Pillar of Energy suggests the pyramid resonated with Earth's natural frequencies and the rhythm of the cosmos. As a result, it may have functioned as an antenna to transmit and receive signals from distant worlds or higher dimensions. This pillar symbolizes the ancient understanding of the interconnectedness between Earth, stars, and spirit, recognizing the planet's energetic essence and its potential for advanced technologies. 3. The Pillar of Time, eternal calendar. As we ascend further, we encounter the Pillar of Time. Many scholars believe the Great Pyramid served as an enormous calendar, encoding mathematical and astronomical data. Its dimensions seem to reflect the Earth's curvature, solar cycles, and even the speed of light. Each angle, slope, and internal chamber may hold clues about our place in the cosmos and the passage of time. Mainstream Egyptologists generally agree that the pyramid held immense significance as an astronomical observatory and calendar. Its orientation aligns with significant solstices and equinoxes. The angles of its sides may represent the solstices, while the interior galleries echo celestial bodies. Some theories propose that the pyramid's dimensions encode the length of our galaxy and the speed of light. These connections suggest that the builders understood the Earth's position within the cosmos and the cyclical nature of time. This pillar symbolizes the pyramid's role as an eternal calendar, keeping time and connecting humanity to the rhythms of the universe. 4. The Pillar of Knowledge, lost wisdom. Reaching the halfway point, we encounter the Pillar of Knowledge. Legend speaks of hidden scrolls or secret wisdom concealed within the pyramid. Some tell of a legendary Hall of Records buried beneath the structure containing ancient texts detailing lost technologies and forbidden history. While mainstream archaeology hasn't uncovered such repositories, the possibility remains intriguing. The concept of a hidden archive aligns with the pyramid's reputation as a repository of profound teachings and mysteries. The ancients believed the pharaohs who built the pyramids were divine kings, intermediaries between gods and mortals, entrusted with preserving sacred knowledge for posterity. It's plausible that alongside their mortal remains, the pharaohs hid writings containing their deepest insights and discoveries. This pillar symbolizes the ancient reverence for learning and the belief in the pharaoh's role as divine stewards of knowledge. This pillar symbolizes the ancient reverence for learning and the belief in the pharaoh's role as divine stewards of knowledge. It encourages us to imagine the pyramid as a library of lost wisdom waiting to be rediscovered. 5. The pillar of spirit, connection to the divine. Ascending to the upper reaches of the pyramid, we encounter the pillar of spirit. The ancient Egyptians believed the pharaohs were divine kings serving as vessels for the gods on earth. The pyramid's upward-pointing shape symbolized the soul's journey to the heavens. It was thought that the king's ka, or life force, would ascend from the earth through the pyramid to join the gods. This connection between earth and sky gave the pyramid profound spiritual significance. Mainstream Egyptologists understand the pyramid's religious symbolism, particularly its association with the sun god Ra. The pyramid's peak was likely capped with gold, symbolizing the sun's brilliance. The upward-pointing triangle formed by the pyramid as slopes has long been associated with the divine spark within each human being. This pillar suggests the pyramid was a conduit between earth and sky, allowing the pharaoh's spirit to reach the gods. 6. The pillar of geometry, sacred design. As we approach the summit, we encounter the pillar of geometry. The precision of the pyramid's proportions reflects ancient understanding of sacred geometry, including the golden ratio, pi, and other mathematical mysteries. Every angle, slope, and dimension harmonizes with these divine principles, forming a blueprint of creation. Mainstream scholars recognize the pyramid's astounding accuracy and precision, with some believing it was designed using sophisticated instruments and mathematical tools. The harmonious relationship between its parts suggests the builders possessed advanced knowledge of sacred geometry and its principles. From the golden ratio found in plant growth to the value of pi in circles, these ratios reflect the underlying order and beauty of the cosmos. This pillar suggests the pyramid embodies a divine blueprint, aligning with the rhythms of nature and the patterns of the universe. It highlights the ancient understanding of mathematics as a key to unlocking the secrets of creation. 7. The pillar of the underworld. Secrets beneath. Before reaching the pinnacle, we pause at the pillar of the underworld. Beneath the pyramid lies a subterranean chamber carved directly into the bedrock below. While the main burial chamber is well documented, many believe there are deeper mysteries concealed beneath. Some legends speak of hidden tunnels or gateways leading to unknown realms, perhaps even an exit on the far side of the plateau. This shadowy realm symbolizes the ancient Egyptians' fascination with the afterlife and their beliefs surrounding the underworld. During the New Kingdom, when the Great Pyramid was built, the dead pharaoh's journey through the underworld was of great importance. The pyramid's design may have mirrored this journey, with the burial chamber representing the gateway to the afterlife. Some scholars theorize that the subterranean chamber connected to an ancient drainage system or underground passages. The existence of such features would offer more evidence for the pyramid's complex functions beyond burial grounds. This pillar encourages us to acknowledge the mysteries that still surround the Great Pyramid, particularly the enigmatic subterranean realms hidden beneath the surface. 8. The pillar of legacy, humanity's message to the future. 8. The pillar of legacy, humanity's message to the future. Finally, standing atop the Great Pyramid, we encounter the pillar of legacy. For millennia, it has endured wars, natural disasters, and the sands of time. This silent colossus continues to inspire awe and wonder, offering a timeless message to future generations. Mainstream archaeology recognizes the pyramid's historical significance as a monumental achievement of ancient engineering and cultural brilliance. Its construction marked a zenith in the power and sophistication of early civilization. More than just a burial site, the pyramid served as a testament to the ancient Egyptians' genius. It embodied their values, beliefs, and aspirations. This final pillar suggests that the true legacy of the Great Pyramid lies in its enduring presence and influence throughout history. It was intended to outlast empires, natural disasters, and the passage of time. By understanding the deeper meaning encoded in these 8 pillars, we can appreciate the full scope of the ancient Egyptians' genius and vision. Whether real or symbolic, these pillars reveal the true essence of this timeless wonder. Are the pillars real? Ultimately, whether these 8 pillars are physically hidden or symbolically encoded, they continue to spark curiosity across the world. The Great Pyramid of Giza remains more than a tomb, a beacon of forgotten science, spiritual aspiration, and ancient intelligence. As technology advances, perhaps one day the secrets will be fully revealed. Until then, the hidden pillars remain one of the most fascinating and mystical aspects of Egypt's timeless wonder. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching.